JSP environment setup. So development environment is where you would develop your JSP programs, test them and finally run them. So this tutorial will guide you to set up your JSP development environment. Setting up Java Development Kit. This step involves downloading and implementation of the Java Software Development Kit SDK and setting up the path environment variables appropriately. You can download SDK from Oracle's Java site, Java SC Downloads. And once you download your Java implementation, follow the given instructions to install and to configure the setup. Finally, set the path and Java home environment variables to refer to the directory that contains Java and Java C, typically Java install /dir/bin and Java install dir respectively. If you are running Windows and install the SDK in CJDK 1.5.0 _20 and you need to add the line in your C auto.exe.bat file. Set path equal to C /JDK 1.5.0 _20 /bin path. Set Java home equal to C /JDK 1.5.0 _20. Alternatively, on Windows NT 2000 XP, you can also right click on my computer, select properties and then advanced followed by environment variables, and then you would update the path value and press the OK button. On Unix, Solaris, Linux, etc., if the SDK is installed in user local /JDK 1.5.0 _20 and you use the C shell, you will put the following into your .cshrc file. Set environment path /user /local /JDK 1.5.0 _20 bin path. Set environment Java _home /user local /JDK 1.5.0 _20. Alternately, if you use an integrated development environment IDE like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA or Sun1 Studio, compile and run a simple program to confirm that the IDE knows where you installed Java. Setting up a web server Tomcat. So a number of web servers that support Java server pages and servlets development are available in the market, and some web servers can be downloaded for free and Tomcat is one of them. So Apache Tomcat is an open source software implementation of the Java server pages and servlet technologies and can act as a standalone server for testing JSP and servlets and can be integrated with Apache Web Server. So the steps to set up a Tomcat on your machine. Download the latest version of Tomcat from https://tomcat.apache.org. And once you download the installation, unpack the binary distribution into a convenient location. For example, in C, Apache Tomcat 5.5.29 on Windows, or user local Apache Tomcat 5.5.29 on Linux or Unix, and create Catalina home environment variable pointing to these locations. Tomcat can be started by executing the commands on Windows machines: Catalina home bin startup.bat or C Apache Tomcat 5.5.29 bin startup.bat. And Tomcat can be started by executing the commands on Unix, Solaris, Linux, etc. Catalina home bin startup.sh or user local Apache Tomcat 5.5.29 bin /startup.sh. So after a successful startup, the default web applications included with Tomcat will be available visiting HTTP localhost 8080, and upon execution you will get the output. So further information about configuring and running Tomcat can be found in the documentation on Tomcat website https://tomcatapache.org. Then setting up a class path. Since servlets are not part of the Java Platform Standard Edition, you must identify servlet classes to the compiler. And if you are running Windows, you need to put the lines in your C auto.exe.bat file. Set Catalina equal to C Apache Tomcat 5.5.29. And alternatively, on Windows NT 2000 XP, you can also right click on my computer, select properties, then advanced, then environment variables, and then you would update a class path value and press OK button.